Choppers all around when I move, it's a stick up. Skinny little bitch, no waist, but got a thick butt. Slob on my knob, she won't stop, she got the hiccups. Say your team ballin' mine too, let's have a pickup. I was quarantining, nigga, trying to get my shit straight. If he say the wrong thing, drop him like a mishate. Never hit the gym, but everybody around me lift weight. Took your bitch back to my room and played her just like field day. Bro, they almost, now you gotta sit down. I can't trust these hoes, cause they'll snick you with a big smile. I come from the bottom, so you know just how I get down. And if you don't, then you gotta hit just how it sound. Took a trip to Cali, I was coolin' with my amigo and them. Really trying to find a plug and flood it like Katrina did. Fresh as fuck, every time I step just like the Easter kid. They know I'm a problem, heard them say that he a beast with his. Finna take the GT back and go grab me the SRT. I was clutching F and N's before I knew my ABCs. On the playground with a cutter on me, don't you play with me. Beamer, Benz, and Bentley shit, I think I want the AMG.
I got a new truck, I got them loose. The Molly a booze, I put on snooze. Yo, I ain't got no manners for no sluts, I'ma put my thumb in the butt. All around the world I'm meeting bitches and I'm fucking good. She ain't never meet a gringo, from the hood. Speaking different languages, so what you said is understood. Got the whole world smoking weed out of Backwood. Yo, me and that bitch are on X, TMZ for the white flex. Molly and Jane is set, I only fuck with the best. I got these diamonds on that. Rashawn, you fucking flex with this beat, bruh. Pull up with my niggas, yeah, we cashing out. 10 bad bitches, yeah, they spazzing out. All up in the club, yeah, we wildin' now. My mama said I gotta change my lifestyle. Niggas fucking smoking up a £1/4, 2 flights, nigga, yeah. Paying back to Senegal. Going Brady with them coming back in style, bro. I juiced all these hoes out them all. Yeah, bitch, I came from afar. Switching lanes all up in the car. I got all this gas in the car. Get the feeling handsome, trying to get a mansion. Yo.